if we can play career mode in efootball 2024. Now, efootball 2024 is a really popular football game which you can play on your PC or your PS or your mobile phone. Now, um, as everybody wants to play career mode in efootball on your mobile phone, there is not really an option available, right? So, the reason that it might be is because efootball is just a paid football game. It is paid in your PC version, and in other versions it's just free on your mobile phone. So that might be one of the reasons that career mode is not available on your mobile phone. So career mode can only be used or played if you have paid for it. So if you are on your efootball on your phone, there's options like dream team, game plan, your team, you have missions, you have efootball world, you have different tournaments you can play on, but just not the career mode, because career mode is a paid game, that is you need to be able to pay for it and then only pay and then only play. So you cannot play career mode in your mobile phone unless it's a crack version. So just pay for it, get the PC version or your PS version, and then play career mode. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video informative, and if you're new to the channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos. Bye bye.